Everyone else is getting one of these for their dogs, and you should too. After filling up the ball, give it to your pup and watch him go at it. It will keep them entertained for hours when you're busy. Here's my pup getting his first piece. It's a great enrichment toy that helps reduce destructive behavior and helps with separation anxiety by keeping your pup distracted and engaged while you're away. It took my dog about an hour to get all of the treats. It's a great slow feeder as well for fast eaters. Here's the result after a couple hours of playing with it.